Developing now, the man accused of placing 2 pipe bombs on Capitol Hill on the eve of January 6 appeared in court today.
His attorneys arguing that he should be released under strict supervision before he goes to trial.
DC News Now's Marielle Carbone joining us live outside the federal courthouse with the latest now. Good evening, Marielle.
Good evening. No decision just yet. The judge ultimately deciding to take some more time to think about the case. Now, prosecutors argue that 30-year-old Brian Cole Jr. gave a detailed confession about how he purchased the materials, made those pipe bombs, and then drove them and dropped them here in D.C. Cole's attorneys, though, they say that although these crimes or alleged crimes are serious, that he's not dangerous and can be released pre-trial. Now, a few points made in court today. Prosecutors say that Cole wiped his phone nearly 950 times since December of 2020. They argue that that was to conceal and hide evidence in this case. They also argue if he's released, he'll return to the same conditions that he was in while allegedly committing those crimes, and that if the bombs exploded, they could have been deadly. Now, Cole's attorneys, they say the opposite. For one, they argue he's a young man diagnosed with autism and OCD, which explains wiping his phone so often. They say they have an expert witness that said the bombs were never capable of detonating, and that Cole has not purchased any materials in 2.5 to 3 years that could be linked to making more bombs. Now, Cole's defense team, they want to see him released to the custody of his grandmother under court supervision by GPS monitoring. They say that the grandmother, who lives in Gainesville, Virginia, has a secure gated community that she lives in. She has security cameras, and that he could work from home if he lives there. They also argue he has no criminal record, has held a steady job, and there's no history of him not complying with court orders. As we mentioned, the judge still taking some time to think about this. He hopes to have a decision on Cole's detention status in the next day or so. Reporting from the federal courthouse, I'm Marielle Carbone, DC News Now.